Hair grease isn't bad, dry hair is. If your curls break easily, your ends are dry, let's fix that. Hair grease is an oil and petroleum-based product that coats the hair to lock in moisture. The base usually consists of petroleum and mineral oil, heavy oils, and rich butters. To start, you'll need around 27 grams of sweet almond oil and 0.75 grams of vitamin E. You need 150 grams of white petroleum. And lastly, you'll need 1.50 grams of Sarah rice. If you want a deeper breakdown of each ingredient, I explain everything on my blog, linked in the description below. Combine the Sarah rice and the petroleum together. Using a water bath, heat over medium-high heat until both of them are fully melted. Once it cools down, you can then add your vitamin E and your sweet almond oil. You can then pour it into a heat-safe jar. I like to put mine in the freezer for around 3 to 5 minutes because it goes a little bit faster. If you don't want to put it in the freezer, you can just let it sit out for a couple of hours. That's how you make your very own hair grease at home. If you're new to formulating, I have a beginner-friendly guide that'll get you in the right direction. It's linked in the description below. By the way, this is a multi-purpose grease. You can not only apply it to the scalp and to the hair, but you can also apply it to the lips and to the knees and to the feet. If you learned something new, feel free to subscribe to my channel to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.